How to recover deleted chats, messages, photos, and videos from Telegram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and here I'm gonna show you how you can do and solve this problem. So someday you might want to see the deleted photos and videos and all the chats and messages that you have in Telegram. So for that, what you can simply do is uninstall your Telegram and again reinstall it. After you reinstall it, it will show you back up your all the photos and videos in Telegram. And when you tap on it, it might back up your photos, videos, and all the chats you had. But someday this might not work. So if it does not work, then the backup solution for this is to simply go on the Google Chrome of your device. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Telegram support. After you search for Telegram support right here, tap on the first option of Telegram support from here. After this, you can simply describe your problem, write your email or your phone number and submit it. If you do so, then your problem might be solved. And yes, this is all how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thumbs up and also comment more requirements of videos such as this in the comment section below. Thank you.